Welcome back. Time for the second new ball as we get in some cricket. Pete Salmon and Carlos Brown added to skipper Kurt McKenzie and Nicholas Lewin's opening day centuries on day 2 of the second Jamaica Scorpions 4-day trial match being played at Kensington Park. Salmon continued his impressive form from the JCA Super 50 Cup final and stroked an unbeaten 151 of 129 balls, batting at number 7 with 13 fours and 10 sixes, while Brown scored 126, inclusive of 11 fours and 3 sixes, to push Mackenzie's 11 to 616 for 7 declared from their overnight score of 271 for 3. Kari Campbell with 2 for 65 and leg spinner Tamara Redwood 2 for 155 were the pick of the bowlers for Royals 11. Ryan Edwards has so far taken 4 for 21 to leave Royals 11 reeling at 70 for 6 at stumps in their first innings reply. Out of favour West Indies batsman Jermaine Blackwood is not out on a top score of 25 alongside wicketkeeper Daniel Beckford on 4. Speaking at the close of play, Abhijay Mansingh, who scored 31 in his unbeaten 116-run 8th wicket stand with Salmon, says players must put on their best show to provide selectors with options.
You're able to show the right skill set to give them the performances, I think they'll be happy. We've been training really hard since the start of the year. I think we've been, well oiled by the coaching staff, and we're looking forward to the season ahead.